Are you tired of spending countless hours on repetitive tasks that drain your energy and eat into your profits? What if I told you there's a way to reclaim your time, slash your costs, and skyrocket your productivity by using AI automations? Hi there, I'm here to introduce you to something that could completely transform your business operations. Let me paint you a picture. Right now, you're probably drowning in scheduling, invoicing, customer inquiries, and data entry. These tasks are necessary, but they're keeping you from what really matters, growing your business and generating revenue. That's where AI automations come into play. When you join our free community on Skool, you'll learn how to automate these repetitive processes, freeing up your time to focus on strategic activities that actually move the needle for your business. We're talking about real efficiency gains here that translate directly to your bottom line. But it's not just about time savings. AI automations can slash your operational costs by reducing your reliance on additional staff for routine tasks. Imagine having a team of AI agents that never sleep and rarely, if ever, make mistakes. The AI-driven economy is here, and businesses that don't adapt will get left behind. And those who embrace these tools will thrive like never before. Your competitors are already exploring AI solutions. And the question is, will you lead the charge or be stuck playing catch-up? Join our free Skool community today and discover how AI automations can free up your business. Your future self will thank you. Don't wait. Join the Skool community today. It's completely free to sign up. See you inside. Signing off.